first I'm going to use these two shades, like this one and this one, and this one also, these three shades, and going to apply it over here. And a little bit flicking it out. And applying it over the front of my eyebrow bone. This brush, this is from the brand Mars Cosmetics, and this is their angle liner brush in the variant number E104, and I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to use this black shade from Makeup Revolution palette. Okay, so I'm going to start it from here, like from here, and tap the color really well, and just going to join it like this. So I'm just going to use this eyeliner. Start it from here, from the edge of my eye. Okay, and then so here is my eyeliner. I know it is looking very messy, but it's okay. Now just blend all these together. So next I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to use this color, like this shade. And I'm going to take this black shade, pop it on my lower lash line, and now I'm just going to take another line like this. Next I'm going to use multi glitters over here. So yeah, this is the final eye makeup. I just love this eye makeup. Look at that glitter, that is really blinging. So if you want to learn more and more makeup looks, then please keep on watching, but make sure to like, subscribe and share, and till then, take care.